we've gotten a lot of interest or questions recently about our laser resurfacing procedures, and I just kind of want to talk a little bit about globally about how these things work. So there are different kinds of lasers, and which kind we use is a little bit determined by your skin type and your issues, or what we're trying to correct. But there are ablative lasers, which is every kind of laser that I would use, but within that category, that means that it kind of damages the outer layer of skin. And by damaging or vaporizing the outer layer of skin, it helps and aids new skin in coming up and growing in. That way we're removing the fine lines and wrinkles, the deep lines and wrinkles, the sunspots, the inconsistencies, resetting pore size, and we're doing all these things through kind of a surgical approach, meaning it's a little bit more than we can do on patients who are awake because the laser hurts a little bit while we're doing these procedures. But recovery is nearly painless, so that is important. But a big distinction that we do is fractionated versus non-fractionated laser treatments. Fractionated basically means that we're shooting little laser beams into the skin and leaving untreated skin in the periphery of those areas. So kind of like if you think of mowing a lawn, fully ablative is every blade of grass is cut by that lawnmower. Fractional would be like little circles of that grass is cut, leaving uncut grass in between, which on a lawn would look silly. But on your skin at a microscopic level, then it basically decreases healing time and recovery time significantly while still allowing you to have excellent results. So those are kind of those things. Other things that I get asked a lot about is the recovery from a laser. Well, think of the recovery like this. I can turn the laser down significantly to where if you had laser yesterday, you look normal today, or I can turn the laser up where you need a couple weeks before you want to leave the house. Now, the recovery, it will help kind of determine our results a little bit, meaning the more recovery you have, then the better your results are typically, but not always. And so these are things that during your consultation and throughout us taking care of you, I learn a little bit about what your life looks like, what kind of downtime you have, can you work from home, can you field these calls from home, that kind of stuff. And that will help me determine my exact settings on the laser. So hope this helps. You're a good candidate for laser resurfacing if you have lines and wrinkles on your face, you have sunspots, you've got some impurities basically in the skin, and you would like it to be tightened and refreshed.